What is up, guys? Welcome back to episode 5 of our beautiful Silver Streak Toyota Tacoma that we picked up at Copart just a few short days ago. In the last video, you saw us get that test fit on that radiator support, and we got a test fit on our fender. We even painted that sucker up, and JP, he did pretty good. I wanted to get here early in the sun. Let's check out JP's mixing job. Let's see how it looks. Let's get this sucker in the shop. Let's see if we can build the front end together and get everything looking 100% today. And hopefully everything fits like it should. We can get that radiator support welded in and get it painted and get one step closer to having this sucker done. So that's enough talking. Let's start working. Man, we've been working like crazy on this thing, like a bunch of cavemen, trying to get it all put back together. I want you to check that out. Man, those lights and that little bit of chrome around the grill is looking absolutely amazing. Digging the chrome on this one, I think it's looking really, really good. I think the front end fits really, really good. Everything is just like it's supposed to be. Unfortunately, I got to take all of that stuff back off, because we still got to weld in the radiator support and we still got to get that sucker painted. But just looking at everything, now we know that we can take it all off, we can weld everything together, we can get it painted up and go right back together. This thing's coming together. So we'll catch you guys here tomorrow in the morning. It is the next day here. We're super excited to get this truck back in the shop, get the front end all taken apart, get everything welded up, get everything painted up. We can't wait to get it done. So let's stop talking and let's start working. And just like that, we got this sucker all fixed up. We got it all welded in. We got it all sanded down. We got it ready to put some paint on. So while we're here and while we're feeling really good, we might as well go mix up some paint, get this thing taped all up, and get it painted today. We'll be ready to put this sucker back together. She'll be ready to hit the road, man. So let's stop talking and let's get back to working. Alrighty guys, and just like that, we got the radiator support all welded in. We got it all painted up. It looks absolutely phenomenal. We can't wait to get the radiator put on, the condenser put on, and maybe get this whole front end put on for the last time. This truck is really coming together. I do think that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. If you like this video and you like content like this, drop us a like. We do appreciate each and every one of you stopping by and watching the videos. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there before YouTube. Drop us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.